Welcome to you guys in this video. So today I am going to talk about a new software which is WhatsApp Broadcaster and let you know all the software features. And firstly, you have to click on WhatsApp account. You can add multiple accounts in this software. First you have to enter a name of your first account, then okay, it will pop up you on Chrome browser and you can add first account here. So I'm going to scan. Once you scan successfully and connected your WhatsApp successfully, it will show you this pop-up. You can see here account has been added successfully. You can click on OK and you can see now the first account is added here. So you can add 5 or more than 5. You can add unlimited accounts here and send messages from different accounts. Okay, so I added my one account. If you want to add more account, then you can again proceed this process, like click on add and then enter second name of your account, then scan with another one. Okay, so here we have to click on import first to add import the contacts, and the contact have a compulsory need to the country code. So here I'm typing number, import. So my one number is imported here, so I can add any message like hello. So if you want to add variables, then you can also use in this software, like you can see the name variable up to variable 5, and the Excel sheet will be imported from this option, import Excel sheet. Okay, so you can click, you can add attach any attachment by clicking here. And one more new thing in this software is that you can add any format file like video, any zip file, or any file you want to send. Okay, so I am taking here a picture. This one you can add caption by clicking here add caption, and then okay. So when you click on send message, then it will ask you to add any button. This software is also very latest in this software. So if you want to add buttons, you can click add button, and you can also edit this bar, like contact us, call us, or anything you want to type here. Okay, so here you can enter any contact number. Here you can add your website. So you can switch messages here. Okay, like if you want to send 30 messages from first account and 30 from another one, like you can send so you can set a series here, like here I'm leaving this as it is, 20 messages. After it, select account and then send. You have to add full URL. Okay, if you want to add any URL here, so you have to enter for like here this. You can open, you can see now for URL here, just copy it and paste here. Okay, so now you can send. Now you can see it will automatically open the Chrome browser and send your message. You can send a video also, and as I shown you, you can also add buttons in this software and many more things. You can see sending progress complete, and also share buttons. Okay, you can see call button, message, caption and website. So this is the software. If you found any doubt in this software, you can comment, or you can also can connect to our company, so we will resolve your issue. Thank you.